Hello students, good morning everyone. In last class, you learned supplementary, the apple tree and the farmer. Is it? This is a very interesting story and also very useful moral in this story. Is it? The moral of the story, that is the main idea of the story is we should not cut down the trees because trees helps us in many ways. It gives us fruits, it gives us shelter, and it is a home for animal and birds, is it? So you learned the supplementary with the moral, is it? Please remember this supplementary story and also moral. Okay, now we are moving to one words, that is choose the correct answer and then question answers of this supplementary. Okay, come, let's we move on to today's topic. First one is choose the correct option. First one, the animal became worried because, why the animals became worried? Because the farmer began to chop the tree. Is it? Okay, now we move on to second one. The farmer's daughter and her friends came out because they heard the commotion of the creatures. And we move on to third one. The farmer promised that he would not cut the trees. So far you learned choose the correct option, and now you are going to move on next topic. Read the passage and answer the following. All of a sudden, the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. It was an apple and looked as delicious as the ones he ate as a boy. He plucked it and bit into the juicy fruit. The memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. When his daughter saw the changed expression in her father's face, he started pledging harder. You learned this passage from last passage of the supplementary. This is your last passage of the supplementary given in your book, is it? Now you are going to answer the questions given here. Okay, listen carefully. What did the farmer notice? What did the farmer notice? The farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. He noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. It is in a first line. Your answer is in first line of this passage. Okay, and then we move on to second one. What made him recall his childhood? What made the farmer to recall his childhood? The delicious apple made him to recall his childhood. Now we move on to third question. Why did his daughter start pledging? She started pledging because she found the changes in the expression of her father. Once daughter noticed down the expressions of her father in his face, she started begging to not to cut down the trees. Is it? She started begging because she found the changes in the expressions of her father's face. She noticed the expressions that is changed in his father's face. So she started pledging to not to cut down the trees. So far this section also over. Now we move on to question and answer. Okay, you have 3 question and answer in this supplementary. Think and answer. The topic is think and answer. Yes, you are going to think and answer it. Okay, first one, which part of the story do you like and why? Which part do you like in the story? They are asking it this question. Okay, I like the last part of the story because the farmer realizes his mistakes and puts down his axe. He understands that the tree was a home to many lovely birds and animals. Now we move on to second one. If the little animals become homeless, what will happen? What will happen if the animals lost their home? This is your second question. If the little animals become homeless, they will become desperate and die. They become die. If they homeless means they become desperate and also they become die. And we move on to third question. What made the farmer to realize his mistakes? When the farmer ate a juicy apple which was hanging from a branch, the memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. This made the farmer realize his mistakes. He realized his mistake and said not to cut down the trees, is it? So, today you learnt book back exercise and also supplementary question answers from your supplementary. Now, today you are going to write it in your classwork. Please make sure you should maintain separate classwork for each subject. Okay? Write your homework in your classwork. Okay, children? Today you are going to write, choose the correct option and also question answers, your classwork notes. Okay, children? Write one time. Finish your assignment on time. Okay? Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.